Hey guys, I'm here today with another Quilty Box. This is my March 2018 box. So I've already done this video once because I had a mess up, so I've got everything out of the box already. But I still want to show you firsthand, so here is everything. Okay, first we have the Bundles of Inspiration booklet. And our featured quilter this month is Elizabeth Hartman. And there's some information about her, and there's questions and answers for things about her and questions that was asked of her about quilting. And then the next thing here is about it's called Terrarium. This is Elizabeth Hartman for Robert Kaufman Fabrics. It's Terrarium. It's Elizabeth's newest collection. So it tells about that. And they asked her what her inspiration was and things like that. So the pattern for this month is called Jade and Cottontail. And this is by Elizabeth. And it's super cute. The little bunnies. And there's information about the fabric that's included. And then it has the pattern in here for us. And the pattern here retails for $5. So it includes the whole pattern, step by step, which I can see this will be not easy for me. The one I thought was easy wasn't easy, so. But I know it can be done. Following this, the directions are very simple to follow. It's just going to be a time-consuming one for a beginner. But here's a picture of the quilt itself. Super cute. And those bunnies are just adorable. And then there is, it's called Clear Your Way to Creativity, some ideas and things about storage and your workspace and clearing the clutter and making it easy for you to work. And then information about Quilty Box, information about the mini Quilty Box, and this month's subscriber spotlight is Carol Rapport. So there's a little bit about her. So it's a nice, informative little booklet. And then next month's quilter will be Shayla Wolf. So that's a little bit about her. And then let's see what we got here. We got Tooltron multi-purpose synthetic based oil with PTFE. So we got a little tube of oil for our machine. And this retails for $5.99. And that's tooltron.com if you're interested in checking that out. Then we've got some glow line tape. Transparent fluorescent tape for highlighting lines and shapes on rulers. And there's 3 colors. It's hard to see here, but there's pink, orange, and yellow. And that's that. That retails for $4.99. Then the next thing we got is That Purple Thing, which I have one of these. These are really handy for poking out corners and things like that. Like if you make little bags or pouches. I like this flat side. It helps because sometimes the pointy end just kind of goes through your fabric or through the stitches, between the stitches. So this retails for $3.50. It's made of heavy plastic. It pushes, pokes, and pulls. Get into those hard to reach places without sacrificing your fingers. The uses are endless, from paper piecing to applique for quilters and crafters alike. So these are handy little tools. And the next thing here is this really pretty darker gray color thread from Aurifil. It's 100% cotton. Here's all the little numbers. And this retails for $4.99. It's 200 yards of 50 weight. And then our last item is the beautiful fabric. So here is the tag. It's called Terrarium. This fat quarter bundle retails for $34. says Terrarium by Elizabeth Hartman for Robert Kaufman. Fabric features succulents, plants, and even a little fawn. These prints create dynamic depths and tones, perfect for showcasing Elizabeth's whimsical animal pattern she's known for. No need for a greenhouse. These fabrics will never need to be watered, yet will always bloom. And these are super cute. And these here are all cotton. And I think this last one is like a linen fabric. It was in the booklet. What did it say it was? This is Essex Yarn Dyed Linen Blend in taupe. It's really pretty actually. It just has, it's not as smooth as the 100% cotton because it's a linen, and it's got all the, you can feel all the, like the thread. Or does it say yarn? But here's the end. You can see all the little pieces here. So that's really nice. And that's a yard. And then I guess these are fat 8s. These are really pretty. It's really bright orange with little flowers. This is the one with succulents. And this one in green. And this one in green. We got a couple browns here. Here's the cute little fawns. Super adorable. And then we have these two in a peachy and pink color. Super nice. I really do like the quality of the fabric that we get. And then we have a dark brown and like an off-white. This is called Kona Snow and Kona Espresso, and these are both 1/8. The other ones were fat 8s, which were 9 by 21. And that again retails for $34. So that is the Quilty Box for this month. And again, here's the pattern, super cute. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comments, and I'll have a link below down where you can order the box. So thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.